Hello everyone, I was just testing some stuff for the Hostinger. I think they just added a new AI feature. They already made some AI plugin before, I know from last year, but looks like they added a custom theme design. Like now you can completely design your website, like make your website with AI. Of course, it is a gimmick. It is not completely making for you. It is randomizing some layouts, already made templates. It is just shuffling them, changing the colors, changing the text, and boom, you have custom AI website. So let's see. So I just tested it, but I want to make a video and share with you guys. So let's go. No, use a temporary domain. I just clicked the AI, by the way. Sorry, I'm fast again. Always. So this let's skip this section. It takes time sometimes because of the SSL, not for the website install. Okay, looks like it is done. I just waited 1 minute or something, not much if you are wondering. Let's make flower shop. I don't know. We sell the best flowers in town. Okay, that's it. That's all the information I will give it. And let's see, it will come up with something nice. I wonder. So let's make it business. Yeah, let's make it business. Create it. Let's see. Generating colors. Yeah, generate it. Find it from the universe. And then it is just shuffling. It must be because like otherwise it is so expensive to make like code all of that, guys. Like it that's why all like website makers, AI website makers, doesn't matter the brand, Hostinger or whatever, they create ready to use templates and they just shuffle them. So nice hero, gallery. Looks like this can be block too or services too actually. Not bad. It is nice. So let's try it again. Let's see. Okay, it created something else and looks like this one a bit different. At least the hero a bit different. Okay, image, service. Any CTA? This is the CTA. Sometimes it puts the CTA under the hero, sometimes on the hero. Looks like it. Not bad. Let's make one more. Yeah. Okay, this one interesting. Actually nice. I like the style. So you don't have to make like really big hero. It has a nice CTA for most important page or link or sale button, whatever. Nice. Not bad, but as you guys can see, like it started to repeat some of the mid sections. Like hero changing, but the menu is same, footer almost same. It is just changing the colors. And I think I seen this section again, but not bad. Like it is not that bad. They just need to create more user friendly templates to shuffle. I think they need to create more designs. Yeah. And let's see, let's confirm how the theme works. I want to see the block editor setup. So there is so many, uh, I'm not gonna rate it. There is so many ways to set up the styles and stuff. Let's see, okay, I see default fonts, colors. Of course, they are adding these colors with AI. These colors are changing depending on AI. Actually, can I see the, no, I can't. Edit pages. Is this a feature? I'm gonna check that later. Nice. Background. Okay. Rest just typical. Rest just typical. Is there any pattern? Any custom pattern? Let's see. Explore all maybe. No, these are defaults. Nope. These are defaults. Default WordPress patterns, and they are mostly useless patterns. Hyper focused, minimalist, useless shits. Yeah. And let's any custom block. Yeah, AI content generator. I know this from last year. Oh, looks like they changed the design a bit. Nice. They made it a little bit simpler. Yeah. Oh, it has bugs. Uh, oh, you have to pick something, otherwise it doesn't go away. Okay. So that's it. That's the only custom block. How did they make the? Let's check the. Okay, just basic templates. The most basic templates. Yeah. There isn't much template hierarchy. Pages, patterns, non-existent. Why? Why? But they do shuffle some designs. Like I know for a fact that there are some designs. Okay. Oh, this is how the future editing will be. They imagine it something like that. Yeah, yeah. I know. I know. Let's check the code. Let's see the real deal. Okay, so this is the yeah. It is not the child team or anything. Okay, it is the active custom Hostinger AI team. Yep, AI team. Okay, so they are adding some templates, parts, typical stuff. And they are adding lots of PHP. Typical, normal stuff. I wouldn't create this much, but they are using like tools anyway. Blocks. Oh, there are tons of blocks here. Oh, these are native blocks, aren't they? Yep. They have a website. Yes, they do. Okay. Stinger. Of course not. Okay, so they do have, but these are these are patterns. This should be under here, no? Yeah, this yeah, those patterns should be here. Like name it as like that. So you give them name and slug, and then you just copy paste the template. You don't have to use like PHP like that. This is just for translations and stuff. But they are under the blocks. Why? Oh, they are using it for AI. These are the templates they are shuffling. Let's see how many hero they have. I found it. I found it. Okay, not bad. Nice. Who picked this color? Oh, we picked it. No, yeah. Random color. Okay. Everything is dynamic, like colors and spaces coming from the site editor styles. So yeah, let's check that. Another hero big. Looks like they only have 5 hero. So AI not creating, shuffling this 5 of this hero. Okay. And AI shuffling food, whatever, if it is a restaurant, probably. Customer reviews, 6 of these customer reviews. Shuffling contact for contract. Shuffling only one CTA. Only one CTA. Oh, come on, Ostinger. Make more templates. Actually make all of this available on the patterns as well. Okay, so that's it. They have just 5 multiplied 5 6 7, I don't know, 40 50, yeah, 40 50 templates something. They are shuffling them with the AI and then changing, AI deciding on a color, AI adding some of the text depending on your website title and description. That's it. So that's how this theme works. It is a little bit AI, a lot more shuffling. So actually you don't even need AI. Like I can do this without AI. Yeah, we don't even need AI. Oh, this onboarding is not bad. So you can go to the and it knows I didn't connect it to the connect domain yet. Nice. Onboarding, yeah, like 2 years ago it wasn't this good. Like they made lots of improvement with the onboarding. Definitely. Well done. So blog editor can be better. Definitely. That's it. That's all I wanted to show, just to share like my experience. I want to learn and what Hostinger is doing. Looks like they are doing something nice, but it can be a lot better. So let's hope they listen. Anyway, see you guys on the next video.